you guys. Today we're gonna be vlogging at the Goodwill. My budget today is no more than $20, and we're gonna see what type of stuff that they have for Christmas, and some nice blazers and button downs for myself and my kids. So happy shopping. See you once I get inside. Bye. So as you see, I see some Louis Vuitton, some Jimmy Choo. These are beautiful. Very beautiful. Let's see the price of it. Nice. They're beautiful. Thank you so much. So I did go ahead and find this here, this Calvin Klein, and it still has the tag on it, and it was priced at $26. And at Goodwill, look how much it's priced at $9.99. And look how beautiful this is. It looks like a Chanel. And then I also seen this as well. Like a little white blazer. And look at the tag. $5.99. So I'm gonna go ahead and snag this. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, and all that good stuff. Enjoy the video. Look how beautiful this blazer is. And it's for Worthington, and it's for $7.99. And it looks like a Chanel inspired blazer. I like how the detail of it is. Look at some Lauren Conrad jeans. Priced at $6.99. Look what I found. I found these Forever 21 jeans. The original Goodwill price is $11.99. But guess what? Look at this. $89.90 skinny rise. They're $28. OMG. Now that's a steal, but I don't know if I can fit it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna try it on to see if I can fit it. Wish me luck, you guys. So you guys, I tried on these jeans, and they are kind of like tight. I don't know how I feel about these. It is my little Jingle Bell shirt. I don't know how I feel about these. Alright, I catch you on another look. So I did go ahead and try these jeans on. They're black skinny jeans. Look how much the price is. And it's like $4.19. And they are perfect. Yep, these are a go. So I did go ahead and try on these Ralph Lauren jeans, if you can see in the back. Look at the price. $6.99. And they're Ralph Lauren, but they're kind of tight a little bit. Like, I don't know. I gotta like suck in a little bit. But I don't know about these. What do you guys think? Think I should get them or not? I don't know. Can I drop down and get my ego on? Oh, you guys. All right. If you're enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up. This means so much to me. Look how big this place is. It's so big and nice in here. Thank you guys so much for watching. This means so much to me. As you see on my YouTube channel, I will be doing a luxury item giveaway once I reach 500 subscribers. Please thumbs up this video. Please like, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.